Okay, welcome. Let's install Windows 11 in VMware Workstation, right? You have VMware Workstation, right? Go to File, create new virtual machine, right? Typical recommended. Next, then give ISO. Install this image ISO. Browse Windows 11 ISO, right? This one. Open. Then next, Microsoft Windows, right? So since in version I don't have Windows 11 here in my VMware Workstation, so I'll move with Windows 10 x64. Next, give name Windows 11, right? Location, select location. Okay, location is set to Windows 11. Next, give disk size, right? I will give 80 GB, right? Store virtual disk as a single file. Split virtual disk into multiple files. You can move with anyone. I will move with this one, right? Next, and everything is fine. Finish. You are seeing here Windows 11. Power on this virtual machine. Press any key to boot. Enter. Let's full screen. Okay, here is the setup process. Next, install now. I don't the product key, and let's choose Windows 11 Pro 64-bit. Next, I accept. Next, click custom. It is unallocated space 80 GB. Click new. Apply. Okay. Now we have 79.9 GB. Next. Okay, files are being copied. Owner needs to restart to continue. Click restart now. Okay, here is Windows 11. Now we have to pass some process here, right? Next, something. Okay, in this. Okay, is this the right country or region? Let's change to my country, Nepal. Yes. Is this the right keyboard layout or input? Yes. Skip. Okay, it is checking for updates, right? How would you like to set up this device? Set up for personal use. Next. Let's add your Microsoft account. Sign in options. Offline account. If you are installing it in your main partition, right? If you want to make it your main operating system, then you can log in with your Microsoft account, right? Since I am installing it in VMware, so I didn't log in. Enter your name. I don't want password right now. Choose privacy setting for your device. You can off it, right? But for virtual machine, let's go with default. Okay, here is your Windows 11 ready to use, right? So this is start. Here is your start button, start, right? Okay. Refresh. Let's go to Explorer. You can see here, right? This PC. Okay, in this way you can install Windows 11 in VMware. Thank you very much for watching.